Hi, you are welcome to SpreadSheets and Power BI course. Here we are introducing Google Sheets. And Google Sheet is a very powerful tool similar to Microsoft Excel that can be used to carry out data analysis. You can use it to carry out quick data analysis, and you can use it to do data entry and so many other things. So to get access to Google Sheet, you log in and get to your google.com. Then you get to your Google Apps, and then you can scroll down, and here we have Sheet, which you can click, and you have access to this window where you can click a blank sheet, and here is your sheet. This is your Google Sheets that you can have access to. Also, you can choose to log on to sheets.google.com to access your Google Sheets. This is another method that you can access your Google Sheets. And so when you have access to your Google Sheet, this is the interface of Google Sheet. To your Google Sheet, it's important you notice this top left hand side where you can rename your sheet. So I can say this is my sheet 1, and then your icon, you have your move where you can move the sheets to any of your folders, and then you have your document status to see if your document is saved in Drive. Now, to access Google Sheets, you have to be connected to the internet to use it. So on the top, we have the ribbon where we have the file. For the file, you have your new. You can create a new sheet. You can choose a sheet from the gallery. Then we have our share where you can collaborate with others. You can use your share. You can grant access anyone with the link. You can add people, as many emails as possible. You can add to have access to people who will interact with you on this document. Then you can choose to download as a Microsoft Excel, and choose download as PDF, as CSV. And whatever you work on, you can choose to publish. You can choose to publish your document, and you have your link, or you can choose to publish and embed it in a web page. And you can choose to rename, because you can still double click up here to rename. You can add as a shortcut. And then very importantly is that we have our version control. You can choose to watch your version history and see the different versions that have been saved. So working with Google Sheets, you do not need to be saving the different versions that you are working on. We have the edit where we get access to undo, redo, the cut. Of course, these are still the shortcuts. These are the shortcuts that can help. You can choose to special values only, format only. These are some similarities between Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. And then you can choose to freeze to show only formula bar, to show grid lines, or to remove grid lines from our view. You can return the grid lines. You can group. You can show comments. If you are collaborating, you could share and show comments. You can zoom. You can use your full screen. Have our insert. You can choose to insert cells, rows, columns, and you can insert more sheets. Inserting sheets is below here. You can use your addition icon to insert sheet, and you have access to the total number of sheets that you have here when you click on all sheets here, or when you place your mouse, it gives you access to all your sheets. And then you can show your charts. You have table, chart, pivot table, image, drawing. Then we have access to our functions, some function, average, count, max, mean, checkbox. Can choose to create checkbox, a drop down, and emojis, smart themes. And then we have as format, where you can change the theme, where you can change the direction of your cell. You have formatting your cells to number, percentage, scientific, accounting, financial, currency, currency rounded. You have a text, where you can format your text to bold, italic, underline. You can wrap the text. You can rotate your text. You can use your font size. Then we have our conditional formatting and alternating colors. Then we have our data, where you can choose to sort your sheets by from A to Z, or from Z to A, that is descending or ascending. And create filter. You can add slicer. You can protect your sheet and images. You can name ranges. You can name your functions. And then we have access to our tool, where you can create a form to receive data into your sheets. And we have a few extensions where you can have some add-ons. If you click on get add-ons, you need to go to the Google add-on site, and you select an add-on you want to have. Then we have our micro. You can choose to record what you are carrying out in your Google Sheet, and it will be available. And have our app sheet, and then you have access to Looker Studio, where you can create basic reports. And this is for help to help in getting some information that will be helpful for Google Sheets. So this is the introduction to Google Sheets.